Good afternoon, students. Already I have started with you the trigonometry chapter Vidya. Now the rest part of this last discussion I have discussed with you how you can keep the table of that. That is sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sin 45, etc. etc. So if you can practice it well, then it is be easy for to access for your future math purpose also. Now today I will start with you the sum maths from here. So suppose question number 282, 281. What is given there? Sin square 45 plus cos square 45 by sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree by tan square 60 degree. Then you are required to find out this valuation for there. What are the way you can find out the valuation? So sin 40 value is 1 by root 2. So that's why 1 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square tan 60 is root over 3 the square. 1 by root 2 square means 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 by root 3 square means only 3. Half plus half 1. So 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay. So 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay. Next other math. Suppose question number 11 and 1. Question number 11 and 1. What is say that 2 theta is an acute angle, then 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root over 3. Now, the sin 2 theta is valuation root over 3 by 2. Okay, so whenever you can give the root over 3 by 2, so this valuation is what? This valuation is sin 60 degree. The 2 theta is equal to 60 degree. The theta is equal to 60 degree divided by 2, that is 30 degree. So this will be the answer. So theta valuation is what? Theta valuation is 30 degree. Clear? Okay. Next another math. Suppose question number 14 and 1. Sin in 3 theta is equal to 2 sin 3 theta is equal to root over 3. Same type of math. 2 sin 3 theta is equal to root over 3. 2 sin 3 theta is equal to root over 3. 2 sin 3 is equal to root over 3. Then find out the value of the theta. Okay. So looks like the same type of things. So root over 3 by 2 means is what? Sin 60 degree. And if I write that Sine 3 theta is equal to root over 3 by 2, that is sine 60 degree. Then 3 theta is equal to 60 degree. The theta valuation is 60 degree divided by 3, that is 20 degree. Okay, so this valuation is what? This valuation is 20 degree for there. Clear to all of you? Okay. Okay, so another math. Suppose question number 16. What is say that question number 16? 4 cos square x is equal to 1. 4 cos square x degree minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0 means I can make it this. So cos square x 1 by 4 like cos x root over 1 by 4, that is half. Clear? Root over 1 by 4 means is what? Half. This half means is what? Cos 60 degree. So if you can cancel x, the x valuation is what? 60 degree. So you can got the valuation for there, that x valuation is 60 degree for there. Okay, so x valuation is 60 degree for there. Now next part be there, x valuation you can got it. Now next question, sin square x degree plus cos square x degree. This is the one answer. So sin square x degree means sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. Okay, so you have to put the valuation of that. That is the sin 60 degree valuation is what? Root over 3 by 2. Okay, sin 60 valuation is what? Root over 3 by 2. Root over 3 by 2, that is square will be there. And cos 60 valuation is what? Cos 60 valuation will be there half. That is 1 by 2. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 4. 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4. 1. So you can got the sin square x plus cos square x value is this. So in this way you can prove this part. Okay. Next, another math. Suppose if I discuss with you the question number 17A1. What is given? Sec theta is equal to cosec theta. Okay. Sec theta is equal to cosec theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec theta. That means sec theta means 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Now sin theta go to that side. That is sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. That is tan theta is equal to 1, that is tan 45 degree. That is theta valuation is what? 45 degree. So theta valuation be the 45 degree be there. So question asks, find the valuation between 0 to 90. So this valuation you can able to show that this theta valuation will be 45 be there. Question already say that. So this part between the theta value between the 0 and 90. So these values so for that. Okay. So today up to this. Okay. So best of luck for your not coming exam will be over. So previously I am just to tell you, go for practice for that part properly. So this math is the easiest for I think. So okay, goodbye.